Hey everybody, welcome back. Do you want to check your laptop's battery health? So let's get started. First, go to the Start menu, search by typing CMD there. When the command prompt app appears, right-click on it. Then open it by selecting Run as Administrator. When the black screen opens, type powercfg battery report and press Enter. If you look closely, you will see a file location or path has been generated on the screen. Drag with your mouse and copy this entire path. Now open any web browser on your computer, paste the copied link in the address bar, and press Enter. Instantly a battery report will open. Scroll down a bit and come to the Installed Batteries section. Here, you will see two important pieces of information named Design Capacity and Full Charge Capacity. There is a simple formula to calculate battery health. The formula is you have to divide the full charge capacity by the design capacity, then multiply the result by 100, and you will get the battery health percentage. Let's calculate and see. First, open the calculator. Enter the value of the full charge capacity from the report. In the case of this video, it is 31,882. Divide it by the design capacity, which is 47,520. Then, click on the equal sign and multiply the result by 100. That is it. Your battery's actual health has appeared on the screen. The battery health of this laptop is currently around 67%. This is how easily you can check your laptop's battery life. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.